Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Gela. Today I'm going to make Russian salad, olivier or olivier. I'm making salad today with chicken, but you can use different cooked meat for this salad. It can be bologna, it can be ham, it can be even some people making it with seafood. Onion I prefer marinate. Before start making prepare vegetables, I marinate onion and put aside. Chicken I prefer tear in stripes before I cut in smaller pieces, because this way chicken and salad will be much better taste. It's absorbed more mayonnaise. Vegetables needs to be cooked with skin. It can be baked, it can be boiled, it can be steamed. My favorite is, and more convenient, steaming. Carrot I dice very fine because I'm not big fan of carrot, but rest of vegetables I dice in size of piece. Mayonnaise the best is homemade. It's much better taste. I use homemade mayonnaise, and it's a little runny, but it takes less mayonnaise in salad. Also, you can make 2 parts of mayonnaise and 1 part of sour cream. You can substitute pickles for cucumber. Just remove seeds and skin. And of course, taste salad before add salt, because pickles and mayonnaise already have salt. If you would like to know more details about this salad, welcome to visit my website gelainthekitchen.com. Thank you so much for watching our video.